Excellent video with great ideas about dogs. They say all dogs go to heaven, but that can be hard to believe when your pooch is acting out. If you're having trouble with your dog, you may be frustrated, and you may not know where to turn. The suggestions in this video will help you deal with your dog and appreciate its finer points. If you are planning to take your dog on an extended car ride, talk to your vet about motion sickness medication first. Avoid feeding him before setting out to prevent queasiness and vomiting, and make sure you buy him bottled water if you are traveling to any destination that is known to have issues with water quality. If you're on any kind of medication, even if it's over the counter, you need to keep it away from your dog. Swallowing even one pill can end very badly, with a sick or dying dog. You should contact your vet right away if your dog swallows some medication. Take your dog to the vet regularly. This may seem like an added expense that you don't need, but when you take your dog to the veterinarian, he can screen your dog for diseases and make sure he is in the best of health. This of course prevents problems down the road. Take your grown dog to the vet at least once a year. The vet will check to see if the dog's vaccine's up to date. In addition, the vet will check the dog's teeth and vital signs. If any major health or behavioral issues come up between annual checkups, you should see the vet earlier. Positive reinforcement is very important in training your dog. You want to reinforce your dog's good behaviors. It also reinforces the idea that they will receive attention if they behave as you want them to. If your dog does something that you do not like, try to avoid just saying no. To your dog, no doesn't really explain what you want your pup to do. Instead of saying no if your dog is jumping, try to get your dog to sit or lay down. By doing this, you provide your dog with an instruction of what to do. Remember that dogs are creatures of habit, and anything you start with him will be expected in the future. If you're not keen on him sleeping with you, don't let him do it only on occasion. Likewise, if you don't want him begging at the table, never offer him a bite of people food. He will learn and accept things if you are consistent. It is very common for objects to get lodged in the pads of your dog's paws. Check them regularly to make sure that nothing is in there. If you see something, be very careful about taking it out, or it may become lodged even deeper. It is wise to use tweezers for this. There are so many amazing aspects of being a dog owner, and you should be able to appreciate all of them. With these suggestions, you'll be equipped to handle any kind of issue that your dog might throw your way. Keep this advice in mind, and enjoy your wonderful pet. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.